Hi, I'm Sarah Joseph, and this is Essential Oils 101 in 10 minutes or less. Let's get started right away. So there's three different ways that you can use essential oils. The first is aromatically, and that's just simply smelling essential oils. And so this is a great way to get the essential oils right into your olfactory, and it goes into your emotional center of your brain, your limbic system, and can help interrupt a emotion quite quickly. The second way is topically. When we put essential oils on our skin, that's using it topically. And so we want to put the essential oil as close to the ailment or challenge or ache as possible. So sore neck, on your neck. Headache, on your temples, maybe the back of your neck. Tummy ache, on your tummy, right? If you don't like the smell of essential oil, you can put them on the bottoms of your feet, or if you're dealing with young children, put it on the bottoms of their feet. You don't have to smell it, or it doesn't get close to their eyes. Okay, when we use essential oils topically, we usually want to use a carrier oil. So a carrier oil is something like olive oil, fractionated coconut oil, grapeseed oil, anything like that. And the reason we do that is because essential oils are volatile compounds, which means they evaporate into the air quite quickly. And so we want to help trap them onto our skin so we get all of the benefits and we don't lose any into the evaporation process. It also helps reduce any type of sensitivity that could happen on the skin, helps you save money, and just helps the oils work better with our skin. Okay, the third way that we use essential oils is internally. And so you can use some essential oils internally by putting a drop on your tongue or putting it on the roof of your mouth. You can also add it to your water, your food, your smoothies, your baking. I love peppermint and hot chocolate, so good. Anyways, when we're talking about using essential oils internally, I want you to know that doTERRA is very clear about which ones you can use internally and which ones you can't. There's often a supplemental facts, can you see that, right on the bottle, or it will say on the label for internal use. Not all essential oils are created equal, so I wouldn't recommend using any other brand internally. doTERRA is very good at ensuring that these oils are completely pure. There's nothing else in the bottle except for pure essential oil. And they do this through elaborate testing. So if you see on the bottom of the bottle, there's a number there, that's the batch number. You could go onto their Source to You website and type that in that number, and it's going to tell you exactly where the plant matter was growing, where it was distilled, what testing doTERRA has done and the results of that testing, and then also what testing a third-party company has done to ensure that the quality, the potency, and the purity is in this bottle is good, okay? If it's not, they're not gonna bottle it. So I don't know any other company that does that. That transparency is really important when we're using essential oils, because essential oils get into every cell within your body within about 20 minutes. So you want to make sure that the essential oil you're using is a good quality essential oil. And as far as I'm concerned, doTERRA is the only company in the market today that is producing this high of a quality of essential oil. Okay, let's get into the oils themselves. I'm running out of time already. So we have the top 10 oils. I want to start with lavender. Lavender is probably one of the most popular essential oils. Everybody's probably smelled or tried lavender. Our lavender comes from Bulgaria. And lavender is great for relaxation. It's great for sleep. It's also great for skin and burns, bites and rashes. We call it kind of the Swiss Army knife of essential oils because it's so great for so many things that if you are not sure which essential oil to turn to for what you're trying to support yourself with or treat, you can try lavender. One of my favorite ways to use lavender is for burns. If you burn yourself on the stove or on the oven iron, put a drop of lavender straight onto it, undiluted, and the pain just like goes away completely. Lavender is usually good for sleep. Some people it doesn't work for, so just be mindful of that. For people who lavender doesn't work for, wood oils usually work. And my favorite is frankincense. Frankincense is called the king of oils. And again, it's one of those oils that's good for so many things that it's hard to cover all the things that it's good for in this short time. But frankincense is great for migraines and headaches. wrinkles, any kind of skin issues. It helps our cells act normal. So it's really great for immunity, brain functioning, for helping our cells come back into homeostasis. And again, turn to this whenever you need an oil for anything. Okay, peppermint. Peppermint is also good for headaches. It's good for cooling. It's good for bringing down your internal body temperature. So great for fevers, hot flashes. It's also good for digestion and motion sickness. Lemon is great for uplifting your mood. It's good for cleansing. I love using it to clean my produce. It's also good for cleansing your body. So using a drop of lemon in your hot water in the morning, just like a normal lemon would do, it would help cleanse your body without eroding the enamel on your teeth like the citric acid from lemons does. Tea tree, I love to call my auntie, because it's got all the properties: antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, antiparasitic, and the list of antis goes on. So it's great for any kind of cold, flu, virus, fungus, so athlete's foot, also good for warts and rashes and just cleansing cuts and scrapes. It's in my owie spray. Oregano, also great with all the antis, so great working in combo with tea tree to help kill any viruses, flus, colds. It's going to help your cells eradicate the ones that are not doing so good. Get rid of all the germy cells, right? Also tastes good in pasta. Flavoring, right? Okay, moving on to some of the blends. We've got Easy Air. Easy Air is also called Breathe in the US, and in Canada we call it Easy Air. It is great for everything respiratory. So it's going to open up your respiratory system and help you get deeper breaths. So great for any kind of cold, allergy season. It's also great for sleeping. It helps with stopping snoring, and great for asthma. Love this one. It's like the reason I got into doTERRA and has been life-changing for our family. We also got Digest Zen. Digest Zen, or Zengest in Canada, is for everything tummy issues. So anything like diarrhea, constipation, indigestion, bloating, heartburn, reflux, IBS. It's good for all of those things. Motion sickness, you got to turn to this, and it works amazing. We also have a blend called On Guard, and On Guard is our protective blend. This blend is going to kill any airborne germs, so it's great for diffusing during cold and flu season. It's also going to help clean any surface germs, so you can clean with it. And you can use it topically and internally to help your cells act normally, to get rid of the germs that are in your system. It has been a game changer in our house for cold and flu seasons. This is the one that helps us, not spread germs around the house. So when one person comes home with a cold, they can keep their cold and it doesn't have to go to everybody. Last on the list is Deep Blue, and Deep Blue helps us with any kinds of aches and pains. So it's great for joint and muscle pain, arthritis, after a workout, before a workout, working in the garden, growing pains, all of that. Those are your top 10 oils in less than 10 minutes. And if you're interested in starting with doTERRA or getting the essential oils into your home, there's 3 ways to do that. The first is retail. You can purchase these oils at retail prices from any wellness advocate. Just reach out to myself or anyone else who is working with doTERRA, and you can purchase directly through them, and it comes directly to your home. You can do it online. The second way to purchase essential oils is with a wholesale membership. So imagine it's kind of like a Costco card. You purchase the wholesale membership for $42 Canadian or $35 American, and then you get 25% off retail prices for the next 12 months with no strings attached. No, you do not have to sell the essential oils. You do not have to buy ever again if you don't want to. There's no like preset auto ship, nothing. The third way is to buy an enrollment kit. And so again, if we're thinking Costco, just think of buying in bulk. So if you wanted to buy all 10 of the oils that we talked about today, you could do that with an enrollment kit. And the enrollment kit gets you the 10 oils plus a diffuser plus your wholesale membership for less than the 25% you get more of a discount, sorry, more of a discount than the 25% off retail prices, and you get your wholesale membership for free. If you're interested in signing up and getting started, I would love to teach you and support you. So please reach out to me at doterra@sarahjoseph.ca. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.